Hello everyone and welcome back to Youngcrafts Academy. Today we will learn list operations. That means adding items, remove items and change items in a list. So let's start. Let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, so let's go. List operations. So what is operations? So we are going to perform some operations, okay, like adding, creating or removing, like this, okay, changing values, okay. So adding items to a list. So like first we have an append. So what is an append means? So we are going to add something at the end, okay, at the end of the items we are going to add, okay, like this. If you see an example, fruits is equal to apple, banana, we have apple, banana. So in zero index we have apple, in one index we have banana. So we are going to use this append, fruits dot append, like this. So we are going to add mango as well. So print fruits. So what will be the outcome is apple, banana and mango, okay. So 0 1 2. So in the index 2, if you want to sort it, then you will be having mango. So let's see. We'll open our this one, okay. So we have fruits, okay. So I'm to fruits, I'm going to create items inside that. Mm, okay. So apple, okay. So banana, apple comma banana, okay, like this we are going to create it, okay. So now what I'm going to do is I want to add something at the last, okay. So I'm going to use this append, and after that mango, like this. So enter. So now I'm going to print fruits, okay, like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this module, okay. So look, apple, banana, mango. So what does this append does is, so this add the items at the last, okay. So append always adds at the end, okay sir, understood. Adding at a position. So if I want to add like this in the middle of something, right? So how I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove using this insert. Insert, what we'll do is, you can add at any position, okay, just like how. So if I want to add at the middle side, okay, so I'm going to put this as 1 comma mango, okay. So I'm going to print it. So apple, mango, banana, it will come, okay. So let me run it, run module, okay. So see, apple, mango, banana, okay, right. So 0 1. So I put one index, so it will print here, okay, like this. You can also do it using the insert, okay. So index start from 0, as we already know that. So removing item from a list. Also, how you are gonna remove it? By using this remove by value, okay. So if I am going to add like one more thing, cherry, CHERY, cherry, okay. So how I'm going to do is, I'm going to delete this all. So fruits dot remove, remove, okay. So what I'm going to remove is banana, okay, from the list, okay. So like this you can do. So if I will run it, so only apple and cherry will print out, okay. Banana will be removed from the list, okay. So removes only the first match, okay, yes. So banana matching, so it got removed. So remove being by index. So how we are gonna remove by, if we have lots of the items, right? So how we are gonna is, just simply using the pop, okay. Pop, what it will do is, so it will remove through index, okay. So if I want to remove banana, I'm going to target it. Targets is index, so I will run it. Wait, let me show you, okay. So apple and cherry, like this you are going to target. If I want to remove cherry only, so I'm going to target 2 and I will just run module, okay. So you can see here apple and banana only printed, okay, like this you can do it. Changing items in a list. So how we are going to change the items, okay. So let me show you. We have 3 items in the list, in apple, banana and cherry. So I'm going to target fruits first. Fruits, so I'm going to target 1. I want to remove this, what you say, banana through, sorry, banana through orange, 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 okay. So what we will do is it will replace it, apple, orange and cherry, it will print out. So let's see, apple, orange and cherry, like this. You can, what you will do is you can change the items as well. So extra useful operations. So we have one extra useful is len. So what does it do is, so we have 3 items, right? Apple, banana, cherry. So I'm going to put one more called what? Orange, orange. So how many items we have? Total 4 items, right? So if I do, if there will be lots and lots, so how we are going to do is, If I want to know about what is the index, what's the total length of the item, so I will use len. Okay, so len tells that how many items are in the list. So if I want to run, so it will print 4. So there are 4 items on my list: fruits, apple, banana, cherry, orange. Okay, so remember, append is at the end, insert is at position. So remove, what will do is remove by value, pop will remove by index, and list is index value that change items. Okay, like this you can do it. So thank you so much everyone, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So in next video we are going to discuss about dictionaries in Python. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye.